Hey guys, Diecast Direct. Today we're taking a look at the rarest Hot Wheels Tesla in the world, and without a doubt, the Hot Wheels Speed Machines Tesla is possibly the rarest Tesla in the world. Now, this is the hardest Hot Wheels Tesla to find, but very soon it's going to be one of the easiest because when Hot Wheels releases the Hot Wheels 2020 Tesla, yeah, remember this one? And so when that Tesla Roadster model for Hot Wheels comes out, this one will lose quite a bit of value. So that's why I recommend selling this one if you have it, or getting rid of it as quick as possible. And that's why I decided to sell this model. I'm only going to sell it locally to probably like a collector buddy of mine or someone in my area, not internationally. But if you can guess how much I'm selling it for, be sure to comment below and I will pin your comment. Whoever gets the closest, I will pin their comment. Now, I'm sure you're asking yourself, why is this such a rare car? Or you're gonna ask me in the comments. Well, let me quickly answer that question. Well, there's a very simple answer, and that's because this car had a very limited release, and that's also because of these tires. Take a look at these tires. These are not ordinary Hot Wheels tires. These are special edition Speed Machines tires, which were only available for a very limited time. So if you have one of these cars, it is worth quite a bit of money. This concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know there's a lot of Tesla fans who are watching this video, and so I've made a small little list of Tesla videos down in the description. You can click some of those links, watch some of the videos, and remember that you have a chance to get your own comment pinned. All you have to do is comment below how much you think I'm selling this car for, and the person with the closest guess will get their comment pinned. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you guys like this video and subscribe.
All black outfit on. I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to get on. You just catching up to what I've been on. Yeah, that's what I've been on.
I see what you're trying to do. That's not even kinda new. That's that shit I've been on.